Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to create an eye look that has a little bit crazier colors than what I normally do. And I also wanted to go a little bit more in depth into all of the Cover Shot eye palettes and show you swatches of each of them. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I created this eye look right here and see swatches of all of the Cover Shot eye palettes from Smashbox, then keep on watching. I know that I'm wearing a sweater in June, but this is the only thing that I have that remotely matches the look that I'm going for, so I want to talk a little bit about the Smashbox Cover Shot palettes because I feel like I use them a lot, but I haven't really talked about them a ton, just like giving you information about them. So we have several of the Cover Shot palettes available in the Wildcat shop, and they're just like these little mini adorable palettes, and they all come with 8 shades in them, and they each have their own unique color palette. So this is the Ablaze eye palette, and this is the Prism eye palette, and these are the two that I'm actually going to be using today. I had a vision of like a purple and orange eye look, so that's what we're going to do. And the palettes that we have are Ablaze, Golden Hour, Major Metals, Matte, Minimalist, Petal Metal, Prism, Punked, and Smoky. So I already have my face makeup on and my eyes primed, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right into the eye look using the Cover Shot palettes in Ablaze and Prism. So I'm going to start with Ablaze, and I'm just going to take the lightest shade right here and just use that in my crease. The mattes in the Cover Shot eye palettes are so creamy and gorgeous. I love them so much. So now we're just going to go ahead and dip right into the Prism palette. I'm just going to start out with this deep purple at the end here. I'm just going to take this on a flat brush and place that on the center of my eyelid. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. Then I'm just going to take this gorgeous light purple right here and use my finger to place that on the inner corner. Oh yeah, that's such a pretty color. So I want to lighten that up a little bit, so I'm going to go in with this light shade right here, and actually when you put it on, it has just like a purple reflex, so it looks just like super shiny purple. So now I'm just going to go right back into the Ablaze palette, and I'm going to take this beautiful light orange shade, and I'm going to go into that with a crease brush and place that around the outer edge of my eye. I'm just going to take a clean brush and blend out the edges here. And then I really just want to go in and touch up that purple a little bit more, so I'm going back in with the lightest purple here that we used. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add a winged eyeliner. So I'm going in with my Smashbox Always On Liquid Eyeliner. So I'm just going to go back in with the orange and purple shadows and just kind of touch them up a little bit more and deepen them up. So now I'm going to move to the lower lash line. I'm going in with the same light purple, putting that on the inner corner of my lower lash line. Actually, I'm going to go out about 2/3 of the way. I want to save the outer third for orange, but the rest of it's going to be purple. I want to bring that a little bit lower than the purple to kind of make the orange kind of rounded. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and go in with mascara, and I'm using my Smashbox Super Fan Fanned Out Mascara. And then for lips, I think I just want to go in with a nude lip. So this is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fair Game. Alright, and here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing swatches of all of these Smashbox Cover Shot eye palettes. I absolutely love these. There's so many to choose from, and you can pick the one that matches your style the best. You don't have to buy a palette that's going to have a ton of colors you wouldn't ever wear. You can pick out the color scheme that works best for you and that you like the best. Yeah, I think it's a really cute idea to come out with just a bunch of palettes in different color schemes. And plus they're really small and really easy to travel with as well, and just super fun. And the packaging is amazing. They have huge mirrors on the inside, so yeah, I absolutely love these palettes. I have a few of them myself. And all the products that I used in today's video are available at the Wildcat shop at Central Washington University, so be sure to come in and check those out. We have some amazing products, and I absolutely love the Cover Shot eyeshadow palettes, so you can come in and swatch them and try them on and see how you like them before you buy them, because the formula of the eyeshadows are absolutely fantastic. Yeah, that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. No. And all the products that I used in today's video. Oh no!